Testing of Hyundai HGN08 air circuit breakers. The basic OCR settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Next, we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. And lastly, we perform a long time delay test and after about 15 seconds, the breaker trips.
Πες μου πότε να κάνεις πια.
It is now clear that both air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.